Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'll be going over how to multitask on a MacBook. Before I begin, hit that thumbs up button, give this video a like, comment down below any questions or concerns you may have after this video is over, and definitely subscribe if you're new to the channel. I do a lot of tech how-tos, tech guides, tutorials, you name it. So multitasking on a MacBook is actually pretty simple. You can have two applications opened up at the same time. So with that being said, let's just jump right into it. The example that I want to show you guys today is how to open up a web browser, a website on one side, and have your email open up on the other side. So first thing you want to do is log into your MacBook and go into Safari. Go into any website you want. Go to ESPN, for example. Alright, now that I have my website up, I want my email up, but I don't want to switch between tabs, or I don't want to click off of this website. I want both of them lined up at the same time. So we have our website put up. Now we're going to open up our mail. Now I did upload a video on how to conveniently configure your email on a MacBook. That video was uploaded 2 days ago, so check that out first. But if you watch that video, then just follow along. I want you to click on Mail for Me, the stamp on the dock at the bottom here. Alright, so now that we have our email put up and our website put up, we can now put these two together for multitask. So if you take your mouse and you put it on this circle right here with the two arrows, just follow my mouse, you have three options: enter full screen, tile window to left of screen, and tile window to right of screen. I want you to click on tile window to right of screen, or you can do left of screen, whichever you prefer, but I'm going to do right of screen. So now that moved my email to the right of my screen, and the ESPN website's on the left. If I click this one right here, the ESPN one, it now connected to my email screen, and now I can just click on ESPN and I can scroll. Meanwhile, over here, my emails may be updated throughout the day, and I can just click on this window and I can reply to whoever I want to while still having my Safari window open. So it's pretty simple, guys. That's how you multitask on a MacBook. Remember, just click on this little guy, this circle at the top left hand corner, and to exit these guys, you're just going to move your mouse at the top, click on the X here, click on this X, and now you closed all your windows. So hopefully that helps you guys. Comment down below if you have any questions, like this video, and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.